G'day, so I picked up this 4-frame electric extractor. It does 4 frames at a time, and it's electric. Nice little control panel over here. And it sits high enough that a pail supposedly sits right underneath there, and you're good to go. Cord, apparently you can screw it into the floor also, so it might get screwed into the shed. But here it is. And this is the uncapping tub that goes along with it. The 2 screens inside for the pail and the rest of the hive. Now to get into something else, it's in my toolbox, my bee box. In there is everything that you could need bee related. A hive tool isn't in there yet, it's in the shed. And the vaporizer's in there, there's tools, there's oxalic acid, there's tester for mites, frame puller, a couple pair of gloves. You got all kinds of queen catchers, and there's a few more things to go in here. But propane tank for lighting the smoker, magnifying glass. So we're building a toolbox that I can just take along, and it has everything I need right there, right next to the hives. This is the last escape board, Quebec escape board that goes with this bottom hive here. So, getting ready for the 2020 season. Oh, and there'll be another video, but now I'll be mixing sugar water with the utility pump with its own tub. So that'll be used to mix sugar water. And pollen patties I will start making probably next month. There is a pump that goes in a tub, and it'll come up over and back down inside the tub, so it'll circulate the tub. Make it a lot easier for mixing sugar water. So this is a 4-frame decadent extractor, electric. I'm looking probably around 200 frames, so there's no way I'm cranking that many by hand. So that's what it is. 4-frame electric extractor. And the extractor tub, which goes hand in hand with that. All the cuttings from the frames go in this tub. And it's got a spingent at the end too. So anyways, we're getting ready. I hope you are too. I estimate approximately 2 months till the bees come out. So I still got to paint. I still got to put wax on the frames. I got a lot of work yet. Now I got to rig up this barrel First this was in a box. I finally got it out today and got it put together. It's still not tight, so I got to tighten it, the legs and where it mounts to the top. It's kind of cool. Here, let me show you what you can see underneath there. It just connects. It's a quick connector. Sets right down once you line it up and you bolt it down. So, thanks for watching. Happy New Year and best to you in 2020. Keep your stick on the ice.